Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best magnetic work light you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best magnetic work light in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is HOTLIGH magnetic work light. The HOTLIGH rechargeable work light is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a bright, portable, and reliable light source. With a strong 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, powerful 1200 lumens output, and versatile magnetic base, this light is ideal for a wide range of tasks, from car repairs to emergency situations. Its 360-degree rotatable head and foldable design offer flexibility and convenience, making it easy to adjust the light to your exact needs. This work light is equipped with a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you get hours of reliable use without needing frequent recharging. It's perfect for extended tasks such as vehicle repairs or emergency situations where consistent lighting is crucial. With a maximum output of 1200 lumens, the HOTLIGH work light provides more than enough brightness for most tasks. Whether you're working in a dimly lit garage or outside at night, the powerful LEDs illuminate large areas effectively. The fully rotatable and foldable design makes the light highly adjustable to your needs. The work light offers 3 different lighting modes: high, low, and SOS. The high mode delivers maximum brightness for demanding tasks, while the low mode conserves battery for longer use. The SOS mode is particularly useful for emergencies, providing a flashing signal that can be used to attract attention in a crisis. The 1200 lumens are more than sufficient for illuminating dark spaces, making it an excellent choice for car repairs, construction sites, camping trips, and emergency use. The magnetic base is incredibly strong and holds the light securely in place, even on vertical surfaces, ensuring it stays put while you work. Our second best magnetic work light is Coquimbo magnetic LED work light. The Coquimbo rechargeable LED work light is a versatile, reliable, and portable lighting tool that offers great value with its 2-pack set. Whether you're gifting it to a handy friend or keeping it for personal use, the bright and adjustable lighting, combined with the durable build, makes it an excellent choice for various applications. The rechargeable battery and magnetic base add to its practicality, making it an indispensable tool for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, and anyone in need of portable illumination. The Coquimbo work light offers 5 distinct lighting modes, providing flexibility for various situations. These include high brightness, medium brightness, front light, flashlight, red warning light, and SOS red flashing light. The red warning and SOS functions are particularly useful in emergency scenarios, offering safety and visibility. The ability to rotate the light 360 degrees ensures full adjustability, allowing you to direct the light exactly where you need it. This feature makes the Coquimbo light ideal for tasks requiring focused lighting in hard-to-reach spaces or awkward angles. The magnetic base is a standout feature that makes hands-free use possible. It allows you to attach the light to any metallic surface, whether it's a car hood or a grill. This frees up your hands to work on the task at hand without needing to hold the light, which is perfect for detailed or two-handed jobs. The foldable design makes this work light incredibly easy to store and carry. It's lightweight, and the foldable function ensures it can fit in toolboxes, backpacks, or glove compartments without taking up too much space. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is DEWALT magnetic LED work light. The DEWALT 20V Max LED work light DCL044 is an excellent tool for anyone who needs portable, hands-free lighting on the job. With its bright LED output, magnetic base, and pivoting head, it provides versatility and convenience for a wide range of tasks. It's especially well suited for those already using DEWALT's 20-volt max tools, as it integrates seamlessly into their tool lineup. While it's sold as a bare tool, its functionality and reliability make it a smart investment for any professional or DIYer in need of a dependable work light. The DEWALT DCL044 work light is extremely user-friendly. The magnetic base and pivoting head make it simple to set up and adjust, and its lightweight design ensures you can move it around with ease. Whether you're using it for automotive repairs, woodworking, electrical work, or general DIY tasks, it's highly versatile and convenient. The 160 lumens delivered by the DEWALT DCL044 is plenty bright for most work environments. The beam is wide enough to cover a good area, and the light quality is crisp and clear, without any dim spots. It excels in low light or dark conditions, making it a go-to tool for jobs that require precise lighting. The magnetic base holds securely to metal surfaces, making it easy to set up the light and work with both hands free. The pivoting head adds another layer of functionality, allowing you to direct the light without having to constantly adjust the position of the entire unit. This light is compatible with DEWALT's 20-volt max battery system, meaning if you already own other DEWALT tools, you can interchange the battery. Number 4 in our side is NEBO Magnetic Work Light. The NEBO Big Larry Work Light is a highly versatile and compact flashlight, designed for those who need reliable, hands-free lighting for various tasks. With its powerful 600 lumen COB, chip-on-board, work light, magnetic base, and durable design, this work light is ideal for both professional and DIY use. The COB LED technology delivers an impressive 600 lumens, providing bright, wide, and uniform light coverage. This makes it great for illuminating large work areas, whether you're under a car, in a workshop, or even outdoors. The dimmable feature is a nice addition, allowing you to adjust the brightness to suit your needs. This is particularly useful when you need less intense lighting to avoid glare or to conserve battery power. The red hazard light mode is another great feature, especially for emergencies. Whether you're changing a tire on the side of the road or signaling for help, the red light is bright enough to grab attention and enhance safety. The 600 lumens of brightness are more than enough to illuminate large areas, making this work light perfect for mechanics, electricians, or anyone needing a reliable light source in low light conditions. Last in our best magnetic work light list is VICOODA Magnetic LED Work Light. The VICOODA 4-pack flashlights is a versatile and practical solution for anyone needing reliable lighting in various situations. With their USB-C rechargeability, magnetic bases, hanging hooks, and multiple lighting modes, these flashlights are perfect for car repairs, emergencies, or everyday tasks. The flashlights come equipped with USB-C ports for quick and convenient recharging. This modern charging solution means you can easily recharge the flashlights with various devices, eliminating the hassle of replacing batteries and ensuring they are ready for use at any time. Each flashlight features a powerful magnetic base, allowing you to attach it securely to any metal surface. This hands-free functionality is ideal for mechanics or anyone working on a car engine, as it provides focused light right where you need it without having to hold the flashlight. The inclusion of a hanging hook enhances the usability of these flashlights. Whether you're working in a garage or need light in an awkward spot, you can easily hang the flashlight for convenient illumination,